Hi, Kevin here. Welcome to my kitchen. So last week I found a 25-pound bag of all-purpose flour and some other things at a local Mennonite bulk food store. And then I went on and ordered more baking supplies from a place in Illinois called Beachy's Bulk Foods. It's another Mennonite or Amish bulk food store. Anyway, the box arrived today. I found it on my porch. And let me tell you, it weighs a ton. So I thought it might be fun to do a little unboxing video. So here we go. So I have to cut into this sucker. And I'm very excited. I know I have more flour in here. I think it's bread flour. And by the way, I did spray this box with Lysol before I brought it in the house, because that is what we are supposed to do during the pandemic. And the reason I ordered from Beachy's is because the local supermarkets here do not have flour. And if they do get flour, it's snatched up almost instantly. So let's see. Well, we have a lot of these things. They're called styrofoam peanuts, which I hate. They're very bad for the environment. But let's see what's in here. Hang on, I'm going to get a bag so I can put all of these peanuts away. Okay, well, I think I removed enough of the peanuts. Let's see. It'll go like this. Yeah, this is why it weighs a ton. Okay, what do we have here? Pure cane sugar. And it is, let's see. I need my glasses. Let's see, it's 13.7 pounds. And the cost was $10.82. That's a bargain. I have enough sugar to make a lot of sugary things. And here is brown sugar. Now they had several types of brown sugar. They had like a medium brown and a dark brown and a light brown, and I told them to ship the medium brown. This one weighs 11.75 pounds, $10.46. Again, a bargain! And here, another precious commodity, Red Star Active Dry Yeast, 1.65 pounds, and the cost is $3.59 a pound. It's a big bargain, because remember, a couple of weeks ago I told you that I ordered a 2-pound bag of Red Star yeast on Amazon, and I got ripped off. I was charged with shipping $66 for that yeast. So, big bargain. Lots of yeast. And I will be putting this in glass jars in the freezer. And I already have the other 2 pounds in the freezer. And here, more peanuts. And then we have, here we go. This out of the way. Here we have it says all Trump's flour. Not sure I want that flour. Now this is unbleached bread flour, and it's a 25.03 pound bag. And and the cost is $13.77. Yay! So I have, right now, I have 50 pounds of flour on hand because I ordered a 25-pound bag of all-purpose flour from that local Mennonite store. And that is going to last me a really long time. So I think I'm pretty much covered for baking supplies. Just want to have a look at this. See if this brown paper bag is wrapped around something else. Maybe not. Probably it's not. So I'm not going to open it just yet because I think the flour is right inside. Okay. So anyway, I will write out the phone number for Beachy's bulk foods in the description box below, because if you are having trouble, have to remember, don't look at the monitor, look at the camera. If you are having trouble finding flour or sugar or yeast or baking soda or baking powder, probably the way to go is to visit a bulk food baking supply store such as Beachy's in Illinois, or you can look for a Amish or Mennonite bulk food store that is local to your area. Anyway, phone number will be below. They don't have a website, and that's one thing I noticed. None of these Amish and Mennonite bulk food sellers had websites. Not sure what that's about. Maybe it's, I don't know, maybe it's part of their culture that they just don't do websites. But they do have phone numbers and they do take credit cards. At least Beachy's does. So I'm going to be baking something, and in the comments field below, maybe you can let me know what you want me to bake next. I've been doing a lot of breads lately, so I could do another bread that I will maybe knead by hand, or I could do cookies. I haven't had chocolate chip cookies in, I think, years. Oh, except I had some Chips Ahoy chocolate chip cookies, which I thought were absolutely horrible. And I used to like Chips Ahoy 20 years ago. I don't know if they did something to the recipe, but they're really bad now. So let me know if you want me to make a bread, or if you'd like me to make chocolate chip cookies, or maybe I could make a pie crust. Anyway, talk to me in the comments field below, and I hope you found this information about how to find flour and yeast and sugar and baking powder and baking soda and other baking goods helpful to you. And I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.